Hi, I'm smart shopping expert Trey Bodge, and here's how I like to save on travel. Most of the popular travel websites like Expedia or Travelocity have cashback opportunities that you may not be aware of. So prior to booking your next adventure, be sure to install a browser extension that offers cashback like Coupon Cabin, Honey, Ebates. That way, when you visit your favorite travel site, you'll be alerted to cashback opportunities that are being made available to you. The savings is typically 3% or 6%, which may not seem like a lot, but if you're booking a long adventure, a week-long trip that's hundreds or even thousands of dollars, you can save a lot of money that way. Also, be sure to check out my previous video that I posted on saving on flights specifically. You can save even more by pairing these two tips together. You can find that on Instagram or at TrueTrae.com. That's all for now.